Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing the Stanley Adventure Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces. And trust me, your drinks are about to stay icy cold for over 11 hours. This isn't just any tumbler. Its legendary double-wall vacuum insulation is what keeps your water, coffee, or smoothie perfectly chilled from morning commute to evening unwinding. Forget flimsy. The durable, reusable straw and ergonomic comfort grip handle make carrying and sipping effortless, even when you're on the go. But here's the game changer for daily use. Despite its generous 40 ounces capacity, this Stanley fits snugly into most car cup holders. No more spills while driving. If you're searching for the ultimate hydration solution or the best kitchen tumbler to upgrade your daily routine in 2025, this is it. It's not just a water bottle. It's a stylish statement piece that ensures you stay perfectly hydrated, whether at your desk, the gym, or road tripping. Want to grab yours and experience the difference? You can find the Amazon link in the description below to check out the latest deals. Compared to other travel tumblers, the Stanley Quencher's blend of capacity, insulation, and unparalleled convenience truly sets it apart. For anyone looking for a durable, reliable, and genuinely user-friendly tumbler, investing in the Stanley Adventure Quencher is an absolute no-brainer. So if you're ready to say goodbye to lukewarm drinks forever, click that link and make this essential kitchen item yours today.